everybody, it's Miss Carrie from Bridgeville Public Library and South Fayette Township Library, and it's time for Healthy and Homemade. So what we're going to be doing today is doing an Orby or Water Bead Stress Ball. Let's see what we'll need. Alright, so now that we know what we'll need, let's get started. So the first thing that we want to do is make sure the night before that we're going to make them is put your water beads in some water. And then I let mine expand overnight, and I have about 8 ounces of them for mine, but you can go as little or as, you probably don't want to go more than 8 ounces, but if you want to add a little bit more in there, you probably could. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is fill up this water bottle, or whatever water bottle that you have at home that's empty, with the water beads. So unfortunately, I don't have a funnel at home, but if you do, that's like the easiest way of doing it. But if not, I'm going to just use a paper, and all you have to do is take the corner and roll it up. All right, and it'll make like a funnel-like tape structure for you. Okay, and then once you have that, you can take your Orbeez or your water beads and just start pouring them in. All right, and so now I don't need my funnel anymore. I can put that away. And the next part, what you wanna do, take your balloon, you wanna blow it up. And I blew it up this much. Some of the air will come out whenever I have to put it over top of the water bottle nozzle, so that's why I did that. And now what you want to do is put your balloon over top of the water bottle nozzle. And all you're going to do is flip it. And once you're done with that, you're going to take the balloon part off of your water bottle, and you're going to let out the air. Now the hard part is you want to make sure there's no air left in, and it's really easy to let loose some of those Orbeez or water beads that you have in there. Once you're sure that there is no more air in your balloon, you can tie up the end. All right, and then the next part is either you can keep the balloon part on there, the like little end part, or you can cut it off, it's up to you. And what's nice is that's all there is to it. It's very simple to make and a lot of fun too, because I don't know if you guys were getting mesmerized whenever you poured the water beads into the container or into the balloon, but I know it was very satisfying for me. So there's that, and now you have an awesome stress ball with a bunch of different colors that whenever you squeeze, it'll emphasize it, which is awesome. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had a good time, and I would love if you make stress balls or anything, I would love to see pictures. So you can put those in the comments, or you can send that to my email, please. Also, this is a take and make kit from our library, so feel free to sign up for it if you would like to have one with all the materials already there for you.